What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So I just want to share a little something with you guys that I have not used yet, and I cannot wait to use this. So I've always wanted one of these, and my little sister, my younger sister, she gifted this to me for Christmas. It is a nano steamer. It is a facial steamer. I've always wanted one of these. And when I tell you, when you have things at home and you can save some money and you know how to do things, it is so much better and so much more comfortable for you to do things at home. I've told you guys, I've done microdermabrasion, microneedling, laser treatment for the skin, for my face. Never had a facial. I do my own little mini things here, but I've never gone anywhere to do a facial. So when I got microdermabrasion done, basically what they do is they go in with a machine. It's almost like a little vacuum. It shoots out like little microscopic crystals, and that is supposed to clean out your pores. It doesn't hurt. It's not a very abrasive thing. But you do feel prickles. You do feel prickly all over your face. And depending on your sensitivity, you could feel it a lot or you could feel it a little bit. They clean your face and everything. They go with the pen and they clean out all the nasty stuff out of your pores. And then, they put some moisturizer on your face and everything like that. When they're done, they put a steamer on your face to just kind of open everything up. So all the good stuff that they put on your face gets soaked up and everything. And I'm like, you know what, I can do this at home. So when my sister asked me what I wanted for Christmas, I told her, I said, you know what, I want a facial steamer. And one of my friends actually has one, and I saw her put it up on her story one day. She was just sitting at home with the steamer in her face, and I'm like, I want one. She was like, girl, you should get it. So she got me a facial steamer. I want to open this up because I haven't even opened the box. I know what's in it because it's on the box, but I want to show you guys what it looks like. So I don't know if you guys can see. That's what it's supposed to look like. So it's supposed to have some tools to kind of help with picking your stuff out. And I think I may want to try it tomorrow, and I may actually do a video on me doing my little mini facials. So I think that's pretty fun. All right, so this little thing right here has a few tools. Now, how do we open this here? So this is called Pure Daily Care, and this is a nano steamer. This we found on Amazon. It is a 3-in-1 multifunctional Ionic facial steamer with exact temperature control, which is really good. And there's a 5-piece stainless steel skin kit, and that's what this is. And it comes in a cute little pouch. So these little metal things here, now there are different sizes, but I don't know if you guys have ever seen anything like this before. So basically, this is used to extract any pimples, blackheads, whiteheads. I already have a set of my own because I wanted to kind of take a little bit better care of my skin at home. So basically, some of them are like this. So if you have like a little, I don't want to do it on my face now because I have makeup on, but you basically just kind of put it on your skin and just apply some pressure where you have some blackheads, and this actually helps, pull them out. But the steamer is actually what is going to help that. So you use the steamer, you steam your face for a certain amount of time. That opens up your pores. Once your pores are open, then you can go in with your tools and you can start picking your face. Sorry, I didn't mean to say it like that, but it's what you're doing. So, okay. They've packaged this up pretty nice. Uh-oh. I dropped something. See if I can pick this up. So, I like I think they had a pink color, but I actually like this blue color. It makes me feel like I'm at a spa. So, I don't have a plug in front of me, so I'm not going to plug this in. But here we go. So it has a dial in the front. Obviously, you plug it in. Back here, I assume is where you put the water for the steam. So the dial here has off, warm, towel, facial steamer, humidifier. And let's see if they have here. Oh, we've got a couple of things here. So let me just sit this right here for a moment. I don't know what that is. That was weird. 3 important things to know about nano steamer. So they run down a few things for you to know. There's general information, there's maintenance information, and then there's important information, basically things not to do with it. Let's see. So general, it says nano steamer produces ultrafine ionic mist that is much less dense than traditional steamers. This is normal and by design. Ionic mist is much more effective in penetrating deeper into and hydrating your skin. Your nano steamer may have a residual smell before or during the first use from the manufacturing process. This is normal and will be eliminated after 1 use or by following the maintenance procedure directly below. So it basically tells you how to, what the maintenance is. So let's see what it says. Ever so often or before use, please maintain your nano steamer by performing the following steps. Make sure nano steamer is unplugged. Use a 50-50 distilled white vinegar distilled water solution and pour 1 cup, which I'm assuming this is the cup that came with it. Pour 1 cup of the solution into the towel chamber, not the water tank, and let it soak for 30 minutes. Shake it around and pour it out. Rinse the towel chamber with pure distilled water. So the chamber they are talking about is this here. Right now it's locked. So you turn it. Let's take the tag off. So this is where you can keep a little towel. I don't know if you guys can see that. So I guess that solution is supposed to help steam the towel and have that prep for you in 30 minutes for you to put on your face. Oh boy, how do we close this back up? All right. So that water solution that they were talking about goes in here, not back here. This is, I think, for the actual steamer part. So here, there's a little envelope that says Pure Daily Care. And I feel like I'm reading off something for an award. Let's see. Okay, so this is basically their warranty. That's what this is. You get a 1-year warranty, which is pretty cool. So the rest of this here, it also lists some best usage tips. Let's see. So this, let's see, they've got 5 different things here. Okay, so it says, after turning your nano steamer on, please be sure to keep a safe minimum distance from the spout and move forward slowly to avoid burn exposure. The mist is hot. That's one of the things that you have to be very careful about. Any type of steam. If you've ever been burned by steam coming out of a pot, this is kind of like that. So you want to be very, very careful when you are using a steamer for your face. Let's see. Number 2, we recommend using a towel to cover your head and hair to capture and trap as much steam as possible while nano steamer is in use. We recommend using the included 5-piece skin kit immediately after steaming to remove skin blemishes, blackheads, acne, comedones, and other impurities. Be sure to use your favorite skincare creams and serums following each session for increased absorption and effectiveness. If you experience any problems with your nano steamer, please do not hesitate to contact us directly at their info@puredaily.com to get it resolved immediately. Love that. So I am excited to use this, you guys. I'm going to figure this out, and maybe tomorrow I'll actually show you guys how I am using this steamer. So maybe I'll give myself a little facial tomorrow with the steamer. I'll show you guys how I use this, and I'll share with you guys the things that I use on my face after I wash my face, moisturizers and things like that. So there you guys have it, my little steamer, my little facial steamer. I'm so excited. I can't wait. Leave your comments down below. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this video, if you've ever used a facial steamer, if you've ever gotten facials before. Let me know what your experiences were. And if you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel, hit like, share, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you guys can get notified whenever I pop up on your feed. I'll see you guys later. Toodles!